All right, I'm on the left side of the horse today, and I'm going to get the outside part of the leg, and then I'll probably do the inside of the legs tomorrow. But right now I'm just going to work on the outside, and I may get to the inside today. I don't know. It all depends on how quickly I can work and how much time I got. I had to do a lot of running around today, and so it's cut into my time. As you can see, I got my reference for this side of the leg, and I'm working from that. I've done a lot of shifting around on this particular side of the horse, this particular leg, and it's broken loose the clay of this hip. So I'm going to have to work around that. I'm afraid that's the best I can do as far as the look of the or the angle of the camera. It's just it's really hard to get a camera position without having it interfering with my ability to work on the clay. On top of the fact that I don't feel all that hot today. I think it was something I ate. By the way, this is a latex tool that I bought several years ago from a woman who used to make them, but she doesn't make them anymore. And this is a great tool. Oh, I turned off the heater today. That's why you're not hearing it go off and on. It's warm enough today. Thank goodness. And it's so ready for spring. Now this is one of my homemade tools. It doesn't look quite as professional looking, but it works. Because I want a smooth look to the horse, I'm using the side of the wire tool that doesn't have the serrated edge to it. It's the smooth edge, so that I can smooth down the horse a little bit. It's hard to do because one side of this, well, actually, I think I got another tool that I can use. Yeah, this one here. Now this tool here I got from Sculpture Depot, and this tool was made out of the steel of some ship that was cut up in pieces in Pakistan, and it was made by an artisan over there in Pakistan. Now the wire part broke, and so I had to use some putty called fast steel to repair it. This putty, it hardens just like metal, and so it really worked really well in securing that wire head or end. But it's a heavy tool, and I love it. And it's kind of cool to know that I'm using something that was once a cargo ship or even a passenger ship. And what I'll do is I'll go over the clay with a Brillo pad and lighter fluid, and that will smooth out the clay even more. That's one of the last things I'll be doing on this clay. I'm going to raise this tail up so I can get down in here and work between the legs, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. And that will pretty much finish up the anatomy of the horse, and then I can start cleaning up areas of it and doing the tail and stuff like that. That looks kind of funny with that sticking out, but that's a real strong wind. Anyway, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that loop just a little smaller. There we go. I don't need it that big. All right, that's going to have to do it for tonight. What I'm going to do is before I put the Mountain Man back on, I'm going to get some wax paper and put it down where he's going to be sitting or standing, and that will make it easier for them to take him away the next time. They won't have to pry him loose, in other words. All right, I'm happy with the legs so far. I mean, I've still got, like I said, the inside of the legs to do, and that's going to take some time to do and make it look right. But I'm happy the way the legs have turned out. They look about right. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.